Honor brought its Magic 7 Pro and Magic 7 Lite to the European market earlier today, and it also confirmed its software update policy for the flagship model. Magic 7 Pro will get 5 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. This means that the Magic 7 Pro will be running the latest version of Android and security patches until January 2030. The new update policy adds an additional year of OS updates compared to last year's Magic 6 Pro. The Honor Magic 7 Pro, launched in January 2025, is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and equipped with 12 GB of RAM, it delivers exceptional performance for demanding applications. The device features a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz and an impressive peak brightness of 5000 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals even under direct sunlight. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its advanced camera system, which includes a 50MP main sensor, a 200MP periscope telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, all enhanced by AI-driven features like AI Super Zoom for improved clarity at high magnifications. The Magic 7 Pro also boasts robust durability with IP68 and IP69 ratings, providing resistance against dust, water, and high-pressure conditions. Its 5,270 mAh silicon-carbon battery supports 100W wired and 80W wireless charging, ensuring prolonged usage with minimal downtime. Running on Android 15 with macOS 9.0, the smartphone integrates AI functionalities, including translation services and note-taking applications, enhancing user experience. Available in Breeze Blue, Black, and Lunar Shadow, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is priced at £1,099.99/€1,299, approximately $1,340 in European markets.